Because this is a privilege level room, there are a few bonus amenities you get, and I'll stop and show that during the room tour. Every privilege level guest gets a welcome gift. My welcome gift was this bag. It's like a beach bag, and it says privilege on it. It was actually quite handy for the week, so it's a nice gift. I just don't need it to say privilege on it. The second welcome gift is a t-shirt. It's a nice t-shirt. See here it says ocean. It's got like a little design on the bottom. It's just a simple cotton t-shirt, but it's nice. I did ask a guest who was staying next door to me if they also got the beach bag and a t-shirt as their welcome gift, because I wanted to confirm if everybody got the same thing. And they actually told me they did not get a welcome gift. So they spoke to their butler and asked them for the welcome gift, and then they eventually got it. I stayed in a swim-up room. On the patio, there is a soaker bathtub, 2 chairs, and a small table. It was really nice to sit on the stairs in the water, have a drink, and relax. You can see how close it is to the privilege pool. I would often hop out of the swim-up and walk into the privilege pool. The water in the swim-up was actually warmer than the privilege pool. I have been to many resorts and have seen different styles of swim-ups. Some are individual pools, some are shared with a neighbor, and some, like the ones at Ocean Riviera Paradise, are one long connected pool. I don't know what the swim-up etiquette is, but this dude just floated in front of my swim-up, presuming he was a new neighbor. But it's pretty rude he didn't move over a couple feet, so as not to be right in front of me. The fruit and the bottle of wine is something unique to the privilege level. It is possible that if you are not staying at a privilege level, you may get fruit, but the bottle of wine is unique to the privilege level. In fact, it's this bottle of wine. I'm not a huge wine drinker, so I haven't opened the bottle. It's a wine from Spain. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon. I'm sure it's a very nice bottle of wine, but as I'm not a wine drinker, I did ask the butler if this could be exchanged for a bottle of tequila or a bottle of rum, and she said no, sorry. Hopefully you're a wine drinker. Staying in a privilege level room gives you the option of bed pillows. That's right, they offer a pillow menu. Here are the options. I was happy with the default pillow, which was the soft pillow. But if you do have a preference, know you can get your pillow changed. Speaking of pillows, a piece of chocolate will be left on your pillow during turn down service. It's funny, because I wasn't eating the chocolate. I was just collecting them on the side table to take home. Near the end of the week, all the chocolate I accumulated disappeared. I suppose they thought I wasn't going to eat them. In hindsight, I should have put them in the fridge or in my suitcase. This is the room dehumidifier, and let me tell you, it fills up fast. You can leave it for the maid to empty, but you'll likely want to do it more than once or twice a day to keep the room from getting damp. It's easy to remove the bucket and dump the water into the bathtub. A full bucket weighs about 20 pounds. If unsure, ask your butler for instructions on how to use it. Trust me, it's worth emptying. The mini fridge is well stocked, with a good variety of alcohol, beer, juices, water, pop, and snacks. No matter what I took, it was replaced the next day. Except for the single bottle of vodka, it was never replaced. Privilege level guests also get this toiletry bag in their room as a gift. Let's see what's inside of it. It's a toothbrush and toothpaste, another toothbrush and toothpaste, some cotton swabs and a nail file, and a makeup remover, a comb, a razor, and some shaving cream. And that's it. And it's a nice little mesh bag, good for traveling.